Visualize your success in delivering your presentation. You need to see, feel, and internalize the presentation as if you are there. Take the time to give yourself the visualization experience before the day of the presentation. It will help you feel centered, reduce your nervousness, and increase your confidence. Let's start the visualization experience. Begin by finding a room with a comfortable chair where you will not be disturbed. Sit in the chair and relax. Take a deep breath to center yourself. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you are ready, begin the visualization process. Close your eyes to visualize your presentation. Appreciate the privilege of being invited to present to the audience. What do you see? What does it feel like? What are you experiencing? Stay with this image for a few moments. Believe in your expertise and message to the audience. The audience has come to hear and see you, to learn from you. Take your audience on a journey of transformation. You are partners in their growth. End the visualization with an affirmation to increase your confidence. Here are a few affirmations that you may find helpful. I am privileged to share my expertise and experience. I have a lot to say and can't wait to share it. My words can have a positive effect on other people. End with an affirmation that suits you. Write the affirmation and leave it where you can see it during the day. Good luck with your presentation, and as my life motto says, enjoy the process.